Okay, guys, in this video we're going to be talking about Tesla absolutely surging its ridiculous bullish runs. So the stock is actually up to $740 to record this video. So the last time I posted a video answering a question talking about whether I actually personally bought Tesla stock at $519. Basically seen as that I thought this was a unique opportunity to pick up the stock, saying that it was just trading at around $1,000 a few months ago. It was already at $950 until the whole negative news had been coming out and stuff like that. So I told you guys that I wish I had bought it down here, but the fact that I got it at $500, I thought it was a fair price. So now why exactly is Tesla stock going so high? Well, there is a ton of momentum basically on their backlog. A lot of people are simply ordering the Cybertruck and the Model 3. So guys, we go into the article posted by thefool.com. Okay, so here's an article posted on thefool.com, why Tesla stock soared higher on Tuesday, posted on April 14th, and it basically talks about Tesla getting an upgrade from Credit Suisse analyst Dan Levy, who was one of the more bearish analysts. Cover stock lifted his rating for the stock from under. It does have a price target of $580, but I believe that price target is grossly undervalued. If you guys want to see where I think Tesla stock is going to long term, check out my video why Tesla stock will go to $3,000 by 2025. But he says he believes Tesla's lead in electric vehicles will be extended during this time, since it has more edge than the competitors that electric vehicles gain market share. So guys, of course, people are getting more used and more comfortable with electric vehicles. And as you can see here, Tesla already had a first quarter record vehicle deliveries. And even though the whole coronavirus situation slowed down a lot of things, shut down the Shanghai factory for a bit, shut down most of the factories in the United States, we can still see that their backlog is ridiculous. So if we take a look here at this other article. Okay, so this article is posted on electric.co, a site dedicated to cars. Anyway, it says Tesla is still getting tons of Cybertruck orders months after the electric pickup veiling. So if you guys aren't familiar with the Cybertruck, it's this like funky new pickup truck that is basically extremely disruptive. Doesn't look like the Ford F-150 and traditional pickup trucks. As you can see here, it looks like it's out of the Back to Future movie series. But anyway, apparently it's picking up a lot of steam. So it says that despite difficult times, Tesla is still getting a lot of new Cybertruck orders month after the electric pickups unveiling. So as you can see here, it says ridiculous. So it said that Tesla received over 250,000 reservations for the Cybertruck within 1 week of unveiling, and Tesla stopped updating its reservation tally, but other crowdsourced estimates counts put to total between 450 and 500,000 Cybertruck reservations 3 months after unveiling. So that is just absolutely ridiculous, guys. So here's a picture of Elon Musk and the Cybertruck, basically the most unique looking pickup truck in the world, and that's probably one of the reasons why they designed it this way, to make it stand out. So as you can see here, if you take a look at this, it says tallies are now putting Tesla Cybertruck reservations between 500 and 550,000, which would be over $30 billion in sales. It says Tesla said it plans to launch 2 higher-end versions of the Cybertruck in late 2021. And then there's also another article talking about how in Shanghai, the orders for the Tesla Model 3 are going through the roof. So on this post, this was posted by Tesmanian, another kind of blog dedicated to Tesla. It says 10 orders in 1 minute. So these guys all these orders are from China. And as you can see here, ever since they opened up the order, or opened up the ability to order Tesla Model 3s in China, there has been an absolute surge in orders. You can see all of this is in Mandarin and things like that, orders from China. So that is what is driving the stock. For me personally, people are starting to realize that electric vehicles are here to stay, and that since things were shut down, this has been an absolute surge in demand. So what am I doing with Tesla stock? Well, Yeah, I'm pretty upset with myself that I didn't buy more. I told you guys I thought $519 was a fair price, and here we are. Looks like we're moving towards 800. But there's a couple things that I see on this Tesla chart and make me think that we could be seeing $1,000 or more. So as you can see here, Tesla had already been pushing $1,000 per share, and then the stocks in general, people sold them off and things like that, and they got scared out of the market. But if all of these statements are true, if all of these pre-orders are true, and I expect things to get much more back to normal in the second half of the year, so that would be Q3 and Q4, I think that Tesla stock finally sees $1,000 uh, easily by the end of this year, if not more. And my $3,000 price target for 2025, I might have to bump that up because I did not anticipate how much of an impact, I didn't estimate how much of an impact their new products would have on the public. I never expected 500,000 pre-orders of basically a Back to Future looking truck. So guys, what should you do now with Tesla stock? Well, like I said, guys, you always want to do your own research, and you only want to invest money that you can lose. But for me, I'm looking to get in as much Tesla before it breaks out to $1,000. I know a lot of people out there are shorting the stock and things like this, and this could be a lot of the run up in Tesla is always a short squeeze because it's one of the most heavily shorted stocks on Wall Street, meaning that people are always betting against it, saying that the company is full of hype, saying that the company is falsifying its numbers, saying that it's it doesn't really turn a profit and things like that. But once again, guys, Tesla is not just a car company; it is a car and solar energy company. So even though solar energy doesn't make up a substantial part of its revenue, that is still a huge opportunity there. So it's not just all cars, which would be similar to a company like Ford or something like that. So guys, for me, I want to buy more Tesla stock, but the prices ran up so high, so I'll probably wait for a pullback. But for you guys that bought around $350, you've basically doubled your money in a couple weeks. So congratulations on that. Now, if you can't afford $700 a share, what you can do is you can try some of these buy fractional shares. So you can buy fractional shares through Robinhood, Fidelity, Stash Invest. Those are the three trading apps that I use to buy fractional shares. And like I said, even if you just put in, say, $100 a week, if you can afford to put in like 50 or $100 a week, then you can slowly acquire shares over time. I think a lot of people make the mistake thinking that you have to have so much money to invest, and you can do things by just, baby steps. A little bit of money over a long period, turns into a lot. So that's it, guys, for this video on update you guys on what's driving the Tesla stock so higher. So what are you doing with Tesla stock? Are you buying? Are you selling? Are you trading options on this? Maybe some of you guys out there trading options made a lot of money in the last couple of days if you had those calls. So let me know how you're doing with Tesla stock in the comments. And as always, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll be updating you guys on a regular basis on Tesla stock. And let's see if we're going to hit $1,000 by the end of this year. We're getting close to halfway through the year. So basically, there's still a lot of time for Tesla stock to reach that point of $1,000 per share. And once Tesla stock reaches $1,000 per share, I think people will completely look at the company differently. You don't get to $1,000 a share by being all hype. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, take care.